What's going on, everybody? Welcome back again to the channel. As you can see, we're at the track again. Stephanie's about to make some more passes. So last week she came up here, she got familiar with the track. She raced an LS3 C6 Vet twice. The first pass she had some issues with the light. This week she's going to be a little bit more aggressive with how she launches and how quickly she reacts to the light. So we're going to see if that changes. Also, by their social media, Hurricane Racing came out and said that it's going to be quarter mile today. So we're hoping that it actually is, because if it is, we're going to shoot for that 11. Right now, we're cooling the car off. Got the fans, Milwaukee, thank you so much. These things come out, you know, and they do their job very nicely. So I've already dropped the pressure. However, it is a little hot today, so I dropped them to 14. I'm probably gonna have to check them again before she lines up. We've put 45 in the front tires, and that's really it. Just cool the car off. We've already checked fluids, everything looks good.
Is it an LS?
No, it's the 4.6, 2-valve, stock block. Take a look.
No
it's got
way.
220,000 miles on
No.
it. Yeah,
No.
absolutely. Used to be my daily.
What?
Yep.
And it's not built?
Nope.
You're doing a hell of a job driving this car.
What?
Thank you. I appreciate it. I'm still learning. I still have things I'm working on every time I come out. So I'm still working.
Mine's almost exactly the same. I got 4 10s, shorty headers. What else I got down to it? This Pro Charge, Stage 2 cam.
Okay. And it's not this loud? It don't scream?
But you know what? Mine's an automatic. I guarantee it's a manual.
Okay.
Yep.
Yeah, it was screaming. Your car was definitely screaming. I was on the phone. I'm like, yo, is that a vet down here? But he like, nah, that was just a 2-valve. Like, nah, it's no way. You must be just banging those gears. I'm like, yeah,
trying,
there's no
man.
way.
That Mustang left, y'all.
So I have a UPR tubular K member, Viking coilovers, really just little stuff, just because I'm trying to take it easy. I run 6 to 8 pounds of boost, nothing too major. Just trying to have fun and enjoy the car as long as I possibly can.
Gotcha. Nah, I feel it. I feel that. I really
Test, I'll scrape it down for you and let you check it out.
Okay.
Private session.
I appreciate that. Look,
Next Friday, that's what we're doing.
Next Friday?
I got guys and females coming in, and they're gonna test for no
Friday.
prep.
What time?
That I gotta let you know.
Okay. Because you
Okay,
are.
you available in the daytime? No.
I could bring my slow car pen. We can test that one.
I know, but we need this.
No.
This a stick. I need a stick.
His is a stick too.
I don't
We can
drive.
use all of them. I'm
And
paying
his is way
$3,000.
faster. He's
Yeah.
got the fast car.
Bring both of them.
We'll see what I can do.
Because I got cars coming out of New York, West Virginia, everything for that class. We get
So
a
on the
full-
25th, is that a Saturday?
Yeah.
Oh, okay, yeah, we're available Saturdays.
Yeah, so we're going to do a whole stick shift class, and then y'all send me a picture of the car, put it on a brochure.
Okay.
I can send you a picture of them together.
Yeah, let's do it.
All right. Okay.
And it's ready for y'all now.
I'm ready.
we
He's
ready.
not ready, but I'm ready.
ready. He's not ready. What? I am ready.
I got $20 on the Mustang.
Have fun, sweetie.
Hey, you pulled up next to me, man. I've been here. Come on.
Get in the car. Just get in the car.
I think she get ready.
Man, talk to your pops, man. Now you kicked out of the house. Doghouse.
She about to stick and move on you, bro.
You better leave, bro.
Make you go to the train, get your own swim.
I did. I gotta go to the doctor's office. I get a note.
It's going to be down your camera. That ain't no win.
That's not a way.
It's hot. Come on. Let's go.
It's hot. Don't be scared.
It's hot.
Can I get a little bit more on it? Appreciate you, bro. As you guys can see, there was a friendly grudge race that just happened. It was pretty fun. Tricky Films or Media, I think it is. I'll look up here. I'll show his Instagram. But thanks for the race, bro. We appreciate you. It was fun. She missed third. I think that was her best pass of the day because it was actually sticky out there, which sucks. But we'll see what she did. I'm thinking probably like a 1240 with missing third. 1260, somewhere in there. We'll see what happened though. I really wish she would have found third. I think that was her pass.
third gear
I know.
and still ran 12.4.
Good job. Good race, bro.
Hey,
Yeah.
I didn't think I would be that close. I was like,
She missed third.
I saw it. But I heard.
Yeah, you heard it.
I heard it. Like when, as soon as I got off the chair, I was like, damn, I really did really.
Yeah, you did. I was like, damn, he wanted to leave
0,
on.
1, 1.
Oh, you were really trying to go.
Damn,
You might have got in my head a little bit since I missed third gear. Nice, though. You happy with your run?
I ran it, so.
I saw.
As soon as I saw it, I laughed. I was like, oh shit, okay.
Yeah, you spun.
My highest mile an hour, I think, ever.
I appreciate you, man.
That's one thing we never run out of. Like that Raceway. Never run out of gas balls. You say you were allergic to gas balls?